How to find stronghold in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is just simply enable cheats. So the first method are going to use some commands, but the second method will not use commands. So the first method, what you want to do is enable your cheats, then open your commands up, then just type in locate structure, just like so, then just type in stronghold. Once it's done, just simply click on enter. And this will pop up, and what you can do is open up chats again and click to teleport right there. Or you could also type it in right here, /TP, then at S to tag yourself, then the coordinates right there. Then just simply click on enter. And you will be basically TP'd to the location. So I have been TP'd here on the top, but if you just go down right here and dig up till the bottom, you'll eventually arrive to the stronghold. As you can see right here, I'm just digging up till I arrive on the stronghold. So you simply need to wait and dig up right here, just like so. And just dig more if you're not there, since the stronghold is pretty deep. And as you can see, I have now arrived on the stronghold. So for the second method, you will need the Eye of Ender. So what you want to do is just get your Eye of Ender and just throw it in the air and just follow it wherever it goes. So it goes right here, as you can see. So you'll just need to follow that direction until you arrive the stronghold. So as you can see right here, I'm just gonna throw it again, and it still goes straight. So I'm just gonna go straight again, and just go to that particular direction. So I'm just gonna throw it again. As you can see, it still goes right there. So I'm just gonna follow it again. It's still right there, and I'm still not. We'll wait for it until it stops. So we need to wait until the pearl stops, or the Eye of Ender stops. Where is it now? So it's right here, and it's been pointing right here. As you can see, we now have arrived to the location. So this is the one that we dug up earlier, and when I throw it, it just follows the path right there. So I'll throw it, and it goes right there, and I'll throw it again, and it just goes to the hole right here where the stronghold is located. And that's how I basically find a stronghold in Minecraft.